This is 2018 Toyota 4Runner, and I just completed the oil change, and definitely it's gonna be maintenance required, and that's the reason you're here watching this video. So what you're going to do is you're gonna turn the ignition on, not all the way, just turn it on like that without running the engine, and you'll be seeing this maintenance required. So it on mine it shows trip B, but we're gonna click this button until you see trip A. Here you go, that's trip A. Now we're gonna turn it off, and while we're turning on, simultaneously we're gonna press that button again. Since I'm holding the phone, so I have to kind of put this phone here. Now I'm going to press that button and turn the ignition on. As you see, it says reset and maintenance data, and after this one is done, so it's ready. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.